was that? Snack? There you go. It's really cold out today, but I got this Squeal out. I want to really try my brakes. So what we're gonna do, sun feels nice while I'm in it actually. We're gonna take a quick ride on the bike just so you can hear how loud the brakes are. And then we're gonna come back, we're gonna try this Squeal out and see if it helps at all. Hopefully it does. You know, I've had a tumultuous relationship with my brakes. I don't know, I've tried everything. I was just about to get upgraded rotors. I was gonna go from 180 to 203. Had to buy adapters, and had to get new rotors, and I was just tired of buying rotors and brakes, but I don't know, if I have to, I have to. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna try this stuff and go from there. So yeah, we're gonna take a quick ride. I'll let you hear how loud the brakes are, and then we'll try this stuff and see what happens. This could be the summer of quiet brakes. See you out on the road, and you might have to block your ears because they're crazy loud right now. All right, what's up everybody? Welcome to a Let's Fix Our Brakes edition of Keeping It Kresky. I told you about the stuff we're going to use, that Squeal out. So normally when I'm coming to stop signs and stuff, I edit all that out, so I try to mitigate the squeal and not bother the heck out of you guys and blow out your eardrums. But it might get a little loud here, so watch out. We're doing a pre-brake test so you can see how loud everything is. Get a good idea of what I'm dealing with here. They're actually not as loud. I just got new brake pads right before my last ride. I thought, you know, again, brake pads, rotors, sanding, cleaning. I'm at my wit's end here. And I was just about to spend like $100 on new rotors and adapters. I was going to get those like floating rotors, they're kind of two-piece rotors. They have an inner and an outer, and then I was going to get brake adapters to go from a 180 rotor to a 203. A lot of people said they had luck with that, but before I spent $100, I thought I'd spend $14 on that Squeal out and see if I had any luck. So that's what we're going to do. I just wanted to give you an idea, like I said, of what we're dealing with the brakes. Oh, also too, this is a random thing, but I have a Pixel 7, a Google Pixel 7, and when you buy those devices, you get a, hold on one sec, let me do another stop. Anyways, with the Google Pixel 7, you get a VPN. It's like, sorry about the wind here. VPNs, I'm sure y'all know about them. I'm not trying to sell it or anything, but it's free on the Google Pixel for like 5 years. And I could not figure out why my GoPro wasn't connecting to my phone, because I have to do a preview of what I'm looking at so I can see the angle of my camera. And it wouldn't connect. I realized the VPN was messing up my camera. So yeah, if you have a VPN on your phone, you can't connect your GoPro to your phone, it could be the VPN, so just disable it. Something to think about. We're gonna do a couple more turns, a couple more stops. Maybe I'll do a drive-by one here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm at my wit's end with these brakes, but like I said, before I spend another $100 on rotors, it's just so disheartening when I spend money, take the time, clean the brakes, and then it's still making that noise. So we're gonna test this out. I just want you to hear this. Look at this. I think I need a new one of these things. I've been using it so much, it's just wore out at this point. We'll do a quick stop here so you can see how loud we were at. Okay. All right. Let's go fix these bad boys. Talk to you in a couple. First thing you're supposed to do, I already mixed it up a little, but we're going to do a little more because we're about to use it. So you mix it up. Now, keep in mind, they say when you use this, only do one brake at a time, because until you're kind of done with the process, when you first put this on your brakes, you lose 80% of your braking power. So they suggest do a front or the rear first, keep the other brake kind of where it is, even though it could be loud, and then you know, one brake at a time. So it looks like we got a good mix. It's almost like gritty. You can almost hear it. Here, I'll let you hear it as I mix it. You can almost hear the grit in there. Then part 2. Let's bring this outside for part 2 and we'll show you. Lightly coat around the rotor, and then we go for a little ride, and we'll go from there. I'll explain it more. Oh, hey, kitty. Kitty's back. Alright, so I think we applied enough to that front brake. Okay, so we applied a thin paste to the rotor. Now it says to basically hold the brakes. Hold the brakes down for about 30 yards as you're moving, while lifting up on the brake every once in a while. So we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, you have like not much stopping power here. Well, when you're on an e-bike, you know, when you hit the brake, it shuts the motor off. So the best thing to do is probably start at a hill and coast down. And this way the brakes can kind of do their thing while you're just coasting. So we're gonna turn around and do that. And then we're probably just about that 30-yard mark, and then we'll move on to step 3. Well, stir, apply, use the brakes, and then clean it off. So we're almost at that part. Yeah, I could have did both brakes at the same time. It's not horrible. I could see why they warn you not to use not to apply it to both brakes, just for safety purposes, but it's definitely doable. All right, I'd say we probably held the brakes down for at least 30 yards. Now we'll go clean them off, so I'll see you back at the house. After we go for the ride, now we remove the brake pads and clean all this crap off with isopropyl alcohol. And then, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know how confident I am, to be honest, because I've had squeaky brakes for so long. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to get new rotors. I'm just gonna jump to the 203s. It's my only other option at this point. So let's go clean these brake pads first. I'll tell you, it's hard to like work behind the camera here, but I'm gonna do my best. Alright, so I'm gonna give these a little bit cleaning again. And we're gonna go outside and we will clean the rotors quick, go from there. Alright guys, so I just spent a while. I was using the isopropyl here, and I just spent a good while like spraying this down and cleaning it with the rag. And I used this old toothbrush. I wanted to make sure I got all that paste out of these holes. That made it really easy, kind of helped the process out. So I sprayed, I wiped. I thought the camera was on and it wasn't, but it wasn't very exciting anyway, so I was just spraying and, like I said, wiping. And then to get the paste out of those holes, I used a toothbrush. To tell you the truth, I don't know how much confidence I have in this. I feel like I'm gonna go 2 feet and it's gonna start squealing again, but hey, I tried. So I'm gonna put the brakes back on and we'll do a test ride and we'll go squeal around again for the next year, probably. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right guys, maiden voyage. That hour of work, hour and a half of work. We'll see if it was worth it, or I'm just gonna have to buy some new rotors again. Upgraded though. I'll go from the 180 to 203. I'd rather save the money and not do it, but we'll see what happens. Give up. Yeah, my back ones are nice. Huh. Oh well. Yeah, they're not as loud, I guess. I'll let them wear in a bit and see. It worked on the back, but not the front. So I don't know if I should say it worked or not. Oh god, now the backs are going again. Oh god. All the dogs want to eat me today. really sure, guys. I guess I know some people had success with the Squeal out. I guess I'm not one of them. Maybe I did it wrong too. So, but you know, if you have 14 bucks to spare, yeah, if you have 14 bucks to spare, it might be worth a shot. Thanks for coming along on the little ride. It's just getting warm out again. Next week should be pretty nice. I'm gonna get a bunch of rides and I'm gonna start trying to pump out some videos. So stay tuned. Appreciate you. Oh God, can you even hear what I'm saying over that? Yeah, stay tuned for some more videos. Springtime's coming. And yeah, like, subscribe if you want to catch up on the latest. Take care, ride safe out there, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, keeping it Kresky. Later, y'all.